Akiaria na andiki a mohoro nja ya wabici ciake, Ngabana wa Murang'a Mwangi wa Iria augite riu ihinda ni ikinyu kurutwo watho wa kunyihanyihia thabari cia muingi kuuma kaunti imwe guthii ria ingi.
I think it's a high time that we start limiting that freedom now, because it's a freedom which is coming at a cost, because every identified case has an element of movement.
Wa Iria augite wona muingi wetikirio gukorwo ugituma thabari o hindi noguo ugwati wa gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19 ukuongerereka, kuona riu andu no marathie na mbere na ngendo citiganite kuma matauni-ini guthie matura-ini.
We have to be a bit careful. I think we are too loose. These matatus which are moving up and down, we have not seen a drastic drop in the rate of movement, and I don't know how we are going to contain the virus at that level. I think we need to be drastic, and according to me, people need to give reasons as to why they are moving.
Augite kaunti-ini ya Murang'a gutire mundu aritikagirio kuma kana kuingira Murang'a atari na gitumi kiiganu, guku akiuria magavana aria angi gutigirira mawatho maria mendekithio ni marumirirwo.
And we need to target it right, because I don't know why people are coming to Murang'a. They should stop coming to Murang'a. They are not invited. Because why what are you bringing? Because potentially you can bring corona. So I want to say, people are not invited in Murang'a. They are not welcome.
Mwena-ini wake komishina wa Murang'a Mohamed Bare ni arutite mukana kuri arutani aria mangikorwo magitabania mathomo ma tuition kuri arutwo. Mekwaragia hindi ya kuruguria lita ngiri imwe cia sanitizers iria ithondeketwo ni thirikari ya kaunti ino.
And as a county, from today we shall be producing our sanitizer. We've already produced 1,000 liters. We have 1,000 more liters in the process of being put in place, and we want to have enough sanitizers, mainly for use in public places.
Ngiri fotera nioritie kuuma kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinuthia.